Good morning. I am the Pinglia brother. I am Gursurinder Pinglia. We buy this property, bad luck, in Franklin Township. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Asthan, I need help. Baba Deep Singh, Baba Noor Singh. When they have Shibkulla Somerville court front, they donation collect. We help over there standing. Cory Booker and other people judge over there. Jailer Somerville court, they declare Pinglia brother dangerous man standing over there in Somerville court front. Akbar Hotel Restaurant, they are standing. Pinglia brother help over there, dangerous man. Dangerous man, United States, they give to him the death penalty. United States government has any power use. They Pinglia brother, they give to him the death penalty in the flag with him. We have a lot of patience in this country. We never bad work, nothing like a zero. My father kidney sold and this property, one Hindu, Sasi Kant, his wife, their signature, Laddu with him. I got prayer. That ladies, he eat the man over there, they kill him. Hindu people, mortgage, they are very dangerous people. They man kill him after they are eat him in the mortgage company. Amrat, Indian Sikh PM, his daughter, bad birth, they gave him Manmohan Singh on children. They never give to him the education. Just born after Atwad grew up in the Amrit. And Upinder over there coming when they have house arrest in Washington area. Upinder coming over there, she call over there George W. Bush wife. After they release him. Now where we go in other country, you damage the United States, they kill him. Bin Laden, they make the 9/11 plan, they break down. Please, Arjala my case, this is bad luck. Bad time coming, technology with him, 1, 2, 3. And Judge John Robert, how much in this case with him get corruption money? Robert S. Mueller, FBI director, they get the lot of corruption money increase. Barack Obama, they catch him in Chapo, in Mexico. They have advertised drug in the world history. He make money, Bin Laden kill him, and a drug with him advertise. I have a lot of history. Those who approve, they take it. Where is Sansing Chadwal, Atwadi, dangerous man in Manhattan? Drug, murder, crime, bankruptcy, his business. United States government, they have Atwad grew up in the help history. Please, this is bad luck. Bad technology with him. They have rose here, they put it on. I pray you cannot die in this country. That the rose tree over there, I put it on the rose over there, his man. One ladies she is a Trenton coming over there. One young who is a person they call over there. Pinglia brother engaged. They throw him color, lot of stuff in the dumpster. Approach with him. When they have lot of approach with him, United States has a mortgage company. They man cut eat over there, then they catch him. Before, never catch him. Amarjeet Singh Jaspal, he live in the Longa land. He has bad habits. Airport luggage stolen. His family sex scandal. This family like a crime grow up in this country. Brooklyn hospital with him. They man kill him after they eat him, the man in the Amarjeet Singh Jaspal family. Barack Obama, who advised person, they give to him the Rajbhog. Manmohan Singh is a very dangerous man. He has a hospital, lot of business. $1 he got the salary. Barack Obama has a how many partnership Indian people with him. He come in the Edison area. He need business. He buy the property. Who advise come to here in this area? They have good connection. Indian people with him. Hotel, motel. They are partnership. Barack Obama. He need on business. We are Shivkulla with him, town to town walking. See my face? I am every day go to the port over there, they jacket with him. There I am the dangerous man every morning in the Elizabeth port. Government thinking they kill him after nobody knows. Prakash Singh Badal, in the Atwadi, he make lot of money, hotel, motel. Technology very fast grow up. How much you have income sources? They Pinglia brother shut down. Maharaja Patiala, sex scandal man, still the government, they give him the benefit. Nonsense people, India people. He involved this case, Pinglia brother, they send them a lot of paper in Somerville court with him. I need the earthquake in the United States. They are very dangerous men. High wind, high water. They lot of technology grow up in the United States. They Red Sea with them. Nonsense people they are fighting. Ukrainian war with them. Indian people they send them work over there. They after using in the military. They have surveillance technology with him. Indian people nonsense. Advani has a how much crime in world history they grow up. Who person they help him, they marriage with him, go over there India, nonsense people, 1200 family, Atwadi, they are corruption, murder, drug people go over there. Gujarat, they have port has a drug coming, never one day, he's every moment a drug coming in the Gujarat port. Hotel, motel with him, drug over there in India. Where I am the murder crime, open the CC camera in Somerville court with him. Where I am the standing court with him. Shivkulla has a collect the money, open the CC camera. South Plainfield Township, open the CC camera. Franklin Township, Attabadi, open the CC camera where I am the murder crime. They make the deed after FBI department Sasi CC camera open. There is Sound Sarulo, Dune White, Attabadi, they here. Go over there, murder. Pinglia brother. Nonsense people, they never, nothing knowledge FBI department. Just running with him. Joe Biden with him. Yeah, Trump with him. Nonsense people. FBI has no knowledge. Everything here in the front. Who make the deed? Who is in United States mental people, they involve this property with him. Now your treatment very soon. How many government officer involve this property? Open the Somerville court CC camera. When they have 5 plywood, they broken. Who approach with them? Open the CC camera. H-Board has it, they give to him the lot of hotel, motor, restaurant, apartment building. Open the CC camera. Then they know who is the person coming, they have approach. Please, resolve my case, this is day by day. Bad time coming. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Sthan, Baba Deep Singh, Baba Noor Singh. I need death penalty. Give to him, dangerous man who make the deed. India patrol crime, they show him video. In America has a no crime department, nothing like a zero. They put it on a lot of camera here. Be put it on yourself. Nonsense people, they don't know nothing. Country has surveillance system. When they have Barack Obama going over there, India, he using taxpayer money, 3,000 troop take. Somerville Court, Franklin Township, using taxpayer money, Pinglia brother against. Where is Rashford, yeah, Pindra Shapkulla, nonsense Atwadi. He never help me nothing, just he need this property free. He put it on the car wash, they collect the money after he get Pinglia brother against lot of benefit. Hotel, motel with him, homeless and political solemn people they give to him. Dangerous people coming in the United States. You people, lot of damage in the United States. Maybe anybody has a dream coming, then they break down the country protest. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad town in Franklin Township, they make the deed. Supreme Court Judge Mark Whitestone. How many police officer they have involved this property with him? Just he hungry for little property. They have nothing knowledge. Government service. India government, every time crime grow up India. In coming here, they have crime. Sasi Kant, he make the deed. Nonsense people. They cut the man and eat over there. Indian people, America has it. They have no knowledge. Just he hungry for money. Anywhere, any court judge use my video where are the murder crime. In this country, 6 business they shut down. 1982, Manmohan Singh Atwadi, PM Manmohan Singh. He is a professor that time Chandigarh. Chamkaur Sahib, they put it on. Pinglia brother case against. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad technology coming. 1, 2, 3. Get to him the news. Resolve my case. Judge John Robert and Robert S. Mueller has how much corruption money. When they have complained, they Starbucks, they coffee 12 year free drink. His now they make Supreme Court judge. See my face? Who said I am the Atwadi? Country has surveillance technology, CC camera system. Using open where I am the murder crime. Somerville court with him. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck. Bad technology coming every moment. Sansang Chadwal with him. How many people they have partnership? Drugger guy politics. They buy the drug and selling other country drug in the United States. Gun, tank, bomb. They selling. Thank you. Hotel, motel with him. They make money.